It's a way of recognizing what's happening and that we really need to start thinking about area-based management.
The sharks and rays are among the most threatened group of animals in the world. Unfortunately, Mediterranean is the area where they're threatened the most in the world, because the number of threatened species here, which are falling under the categories of vulnerable, endangered and critically endangered, is the highest in Mediterranean.
Many population declined significantly in the last at least 20 years, and it's very clear, very evident for many species. This ISRA will have an impact in the conservation of shark species in the future.
The ISRA process is integrative work of many people or many experts to try to identify the important areas for conservation of shark larvae and chimaeras.
The ISRA areas that have been delineated will help us to develop spatial management measures, either fisheries management measures or other spatial management measures, in those areas that are the most important for sharks and rays in the Mediterranean.
Tools like ISRA to proceed ahead to obtain the good results.
I think that is very interesting. It's a process that will help us identify key areas and gaps of knowledge, which is also very important for the future.
We do research and we learn throughout the year, and this is a chance to stop and think about what actually is the most important, to realize where are the most important locations that we should put more emphasis on, and to organize our thoughts in a spatial way.
There is really excellent guidance material that has been prepared by the great ISRA team, and then start to collaborate and get ready to get all the data out of your drawers that you haven't used so far. It is a really inspiring and intense process that will help us to accelerate shark conservation.
Allora andiamo a mettere i nostri squali nella mappa.
Put your sharks on the map.
كبر شك على الخريطة.
Βάζουμε τους καρχαρίες στο χάρτη.
Pon tus tiburones en el mapa.
Stavite versaicule na mapu.
Posa els taurons al mapa.
Placez vos requins sur la carte.
Stavite vaše morske pse na mapu.
Vendos peşkaçeri na hartë.
Metti i tuoi squali su una mappa.
Köpek balıklarını lütfen haritada yerine koyun.
Posa os teus taurons nas mapas.
Simu et a creixim a la mapa.
حط القرش على الخريطة.